Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I was feeling so old Hollywood I threw on a red lip. Today we are jumping into the July LookFantastic beauty box. I've told you guys before, I love these cute little bags. So, like, for the bag alone, I would get this box. But we're going to jump into this box today and see, is it worth the price? Do we like the items inside? Is it worth it? Obviously, I'm not just going to say it's great because of the bag. We're going to jump into the items inside and see if it is actually worth the money. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching. And don't forget to subscribe because I upload every other day. That'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into my LookFantastic beauty box or beauty bag or whatever you want to call it for the month of July, stay tuned. Okay, so the theme of the month is Wanderlust, a strong desire to travel. There is an editor's note, and they do a magazine every month with a whole bunch of products. So we're going to jump into the products in the bag. Obviously, my makeup's already done because with the exception of like one product, it's all skincare. So the first item out of the box is from Revlon. This is the creamy lipstick. Is that what it's called? Is it just called? It's in the shade Rose Wine. It is the Super Lustrous Lipstick. A creamy lipstick that adds a pop of natural color to your palette, infused with liquid silk formula that seals in both pigment and softness for a lip look that is long-lasting and doesn't crack or flake. Apply directly from the bullet to the lips for an intense color payoff. I can't speak. For something more subtle, apply to a small amount to your finger and dab. Expert tip, rub some on the back of your hand and use a dense face brush to apply to the cheeks as a blush to tie your makeup look together. I've used Revlon lipsticks in the past. I have a few in my collection, and I don't touch any of them, so I'm not going to open this because this is a product that is just not my vibe. I don't love Revlon's lipsticks, although last month I got their setting spray in another box, and I was really happy with that one, but not the lipsticks. The next product is from Illamasqua, and I have used this before. This is the Beyond Liquid Highlighter in the shade OMG. It is absolutely tiny, but this is a liquid highlighter taking inspiration from the brand's infamous Beyond Highlighting Powder that will give you a strobe-like glow. Mix into your base for natural luminosity or apply direct to the high points for a champagne glowy finish. Apply to the top of your cheekbones, bridge of the nose, etc. Or mix into your moisturizer or foundation for a dewy complexion. I don't love products like this. I'm not a huge fan of liquid highlighters. Occasionally, I will like a little bit of hydration and liquid glow. I'll use the Desert Moon Oil from Aether Beauty because it's super glowy. Or I will use in the form of like a finishing mist with some hydration and glow. But I don't love a liquid highlighter because I find that they bunch up, they grab, and they just don't blend as nicely as powders do on the skin. I went with powders today, and I'm much happier with how it looks than it is when I go in with, like a cream or a liquid. So right now we are 0 for 2. Item number 3 is the Starskin VIP 7-second Luxury All-Day Mask. 7-in-1 Miracle Skin Mask Pad. It is one treatment. A Miracle 7-step skincare regimen in one pad. So massage the textured side of the pad all over the face, flip it over, and use the other side. Follow with your serums and moisturizers of choice. Glycerin, niacinamide, grapeseed oil, and berry seed extract. It is a cleansing pad that will refresh your skin and lightly exfoliate. Really excited to give this a try, but obviously I'm not putting that on makeup right now because I feel like that would be such a waste and I'm not ready to take this off. So I'm going to try this out tonight and I will leave a comment in the comment section pinned or in the description box with how I feel it worked. The next item comes from Elemis, and this is the Superfood AHA Closing... No, it's not. It says AHA Glow Cleansing Butter, but I got the Glow Priming Moisturizer, which is not the same product. So either they messed up, but they definitely sent me the wrong one. So I honestly would be more excited to get the Glow Cleansing Butter because a Pumpkin Glow Facial Cleanser is much more exciting than a Glow Priming Moisturizer. I don't love Glow in a moisturizer, but I love AHA cleansers. So just because it's not the right product, that is also going to be a fail. The next item comes from Grow Gorgeous. This is the Intelligent Hair Care Anti-Pollution Leave-In Spray, a protective hair mist that shields from heat damage, color fade, and external aggressors. Vegan and formulated without parabens, sulfates, or silicones, especially great for greasy hair that is prone to product buildup. Green tea extract, sunflower extract, and vitamin B5. Spray onto towel, dry hair, comb through, and style as normal. I'm going to be honest, I don't towel dry my hair. I air dry or I let it do its own thing. That's just how I prefer to do it. But I am going to give this a try because I have been looking for a new heat protectant, And since it has none of those gross ingredients in there, I'll have to double check for like some other ingredients, maybe alcohols and things. But as of right now, I'm going to try this out. And the last item out of the bag is from the brand Mine Tan Body Skin. This is a refreshing face and body spray that acts as a gradual tanner to give you a bronzy glow this summer with a lightweight formula that instantly absorbs and zero fake tan smell. This gradual tanner is suitable for face and body and is perfect for that golden glow. Macadamia seed oil, jojoba oil, citric acid, and cucumber. Hold the bottle 15 centimeters from the face and spray face and body evenly. Allow to fully dry before applying makeup or getting dressed. Absolutely not going to use this. I don't do self-tanner. I used to use one on the body, like a gradual self-tan lotion, but I live in Florida now. I'm already much darker than I was in New York. Not that this is dark, but you know what I mean. So really not a product I'm interested in at all. So now is the unfortunate part of the video where I have to go on a rant. So I do have a code which I'll put in the description box. It is a link for you to get your first box for $1, and then I think it's like 12 bucks a month every month after that. However, this is like the third box in a row that really hasn't been great. So I do want your honest feedback as to whether or not I should continue to unbox the LookFantastic Beauty Box. I love Glossy Box and they are owned by the same company, but I find that each month I like one of the boxes, maybe. I definitely don't always like both. And it's always travel sizes, which I think are great for learning if you like a product. But things like serums, you really don't know after that short of an amount of time. You need 28 to 60 days to really see any results. So because of that, I want to know, like, do you think I should keep unboxing the LookFantastic Beauty Box? And while we're at it, should we keep unboxing the Glossy Box? Because right now, I filmed my Glossy Box earlier today, and I liked it. It was actually one of the better boxes, but then in the same breath, the LookFantastic was an absolute disappointment this month, with the exception of the bag. Like, I love the little bag. It's a cute little bag. And that should not be the selling point on a beauty box. The cute bag or the cute box, like Ipsy, I don't get Ipsy because the bags are cute. That's just a perk. I like the items that come in it. So I really want to know what you guys think because I'm just a little disappointed right now. And I know lately I have been extra critical of a lot of the subscription boxes and the products that are coming. And I really haven't been super inspired by a lot of them. But my Ipsy was great this month. My Boxycharm Premium was amazing this month. The Boxycharm Base Box was not. So like even the brands that like Boxycharm, which has been my favorite subscription box for years, has months and boxes that aren't as great as other ones. So it's definitely hit or miss, and I am sorry for the soapbox moment where I just start ranting, but I am really discouraged lately because I'm not loving the boxes as much. And I don't know if that's me, or are you guys seeing the same thing? Let me know down below. I would love to hear your thoughts. I'm going to link a couple videos up above, and I have been throughout this video, where I have some giveaways going in some other videos, some unboxings that I did really like, and some that I didn't love too much. So I'm going to link all of that up above so that you can, go see something that ends on a little bit of a happier note. Because right now, this box is, if this is how I was introduced to LookFantastic, I would not unbox it. And I'm being completely honest with you. And I don't like being so negative, but I'm just not happy with this month. So thank you for watching if you made it to the end. Sorry to end on such a negative note, but I am really excited to try the cleanser, but this is a one-time use cleanser thing, and this should not be the thing that makes or breaks a box. That is, in and of itself, disappointing. So thank you so much. I will see you all in my next video, and hopefully it is a happier one. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.